Here he comes.
Coming?
They said get ready for departure.
So, what I remember now...
Heads out Bureau 7030 heavy, fly runway heading, remain this frequency, runway 10 left, full length, clear for takeoff. Takeoff, runway 10 left, full length, maintain this frequency. That's 1000.
That's exactly it, especially when it's a VIP airport.
Rolling. Needle's alive. Rolling. Needle's alive. Yep. Here he comes.
If you both can add it, and then you want to be looking northwest.
United 2088 on Zulu, cross runway 10 left, full for Bravo, then contact ground 118.45. Runway 3792 on Zulu, cross runway 10 left, full for Bravo, then contact ground 118.45. 1845.
What?
6460 on Zulu, cross runway 10 center, hold short of runway 10 left.
Let's go, let's go. Oh.
6363 on Zulu, cross runway 10 center, hold short of runway 10 left. 6371 on Zulu, cross runway 10 center, hold short of runway 10 left. Bureau 7030 heavy, fly heading 090. 090 heading Antonov 7020. That 6460 cross runway 10 left, hold for Bravo, then contact ground 118.45. Bureau 7030 heavy, turn left heading 070 now. Left heading 070, Antonov 7020.
That one is better than...